In today's tutorial, I am going to walk you through how to use the powerful Interpolate extension in Inkscape to create stunning smooth transitions, 3D text effects, and complex patterns. Whether you are a graphic design beginner or looking to optimize your workflow in 2026, this tool is a game changer for creating repetitive shapes and intricate design elements. If this video helps you master your design workspace, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Let us get started. First, we need to set up our canvas. You can create 2 or more shapes using any drawing tool or bring in some text. The most important rule here is that all your objects must be converted to paths. Select your shapes and go to Path, then click Object to Path, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+C. If you are working with text, you must also ungroup it by selecting the text and pressing Ctrl+Shift+G until each letter is an individual path. Now, arrange these objects. The selection order is crucial, as the first object you click acts as the start point and the last object is the end point. With your path selected, go to the top menu, select Extensions, then Generate from Path, and click Interpolate. Inside this dialog box, you'll find several settings. The exponent setting controls spacing. Keep it at 0 for perfectly equal intervals. The interpolation steps value determines how many shapes are created between your start and end points. I recommend setting the interpolation method to 2, as it usually handles complex paths and nodes more effectively. If you want a color or stroke width gradient, make sure to check the Interpolate Style box. Check the Duplicate End Paths box if you want to keep your original shapes intact. Always enable the live preview so you can see your design come to life before committing. Once you are happy, click Apply. You can even create professional 3D text effects by creating 2 copies of your text, offsetting one slightly, and running the interpolation between them with a high number of steps. If your results look tangled, Inkscape is simply struggling with the node direction. Simply select one path and go to Path, then Reverse to fix the flow. For faster editing next time, remember that you can use Alt+Q to rerun your previous extension instantly. If you need to edit the generated shapes later, just select the group and press Ctrl+Shift+G to ungroup everything. Practice these steps and you'll be creating complex vector art in no time. If this video helped you learn something new, please hit that like and subscribe button, as it really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching and happy designing!